Good afternoon, students. Today in this class we are going to start interest on model 6. Model 6. Look at model 6. Model 6 is mix of question of CI and SI. Two questions are merged here. Okay, the compound interest of on a certain sum of for rupees some 2 years at 10% is 420. Compound interest. Compound interest means what? CI. CI is equal to 420 rupees. 2 years. 2 years given. 10% per annum. R is equal to 10%. What should be the simple? Another question. What should be the simple interest? Simple interest means SI. SI is equal to what? What should be the simple interest on the same sum? Same sum means principal is same. You have to find P here and same P you should write there. So P, only P right there, right? P यहाँ से नहीं यहाँ पर निकाल रखूँगा. Same principal, same rate. Rate also same. 10%. At the same time. Time also same. Time 2 years. Yes. Same principal बने यहाँ पर you have to find P. Then put the P here. Then you have to find SI. Yes. What is given there? Whatever given, you have to use the formula. There CI is given, so use the formula of CI. CI is equal to P whole bracket, small bracket, 1 plus R upon 100 to the power T minus 1. Yes? Or CI. CI means 420. Is equal to P. P is not given, so write P. Whole bracket 1 plus R. R is 10. 10 upon 100 to the power T. T means 2. And then minus 1. 420 is equal to P. Whole bracket, small bracket 1 plus 10 is divided by 100. 0.1 the square, then minus 1. Yes, 420 is equal to P. This and this plus 1 and 0.1 means 1.1. 1.1 on the square, then minus 1. Yes, 420 is equal to P. 1.1 square 1.21, then minus 1. 1 on minus this. 420 is equal to 1 and 1 minus 0.21. 0.21 P. Divide this. Therefore, P is equal to 420 is divided by 0.21. P is equal to, divide this, 2000 rupees. Okay. By using the formula of CI, we have get principal. How much principal? 2000. Same principal should be there. Same sum. So principal is, therefore principal is rupees 2000. And what you have to get? SI. SI is equal to P into T into R upon 100. SI निकालना चाहिए. P means what? 2000 into T means 2 into R means 10 upon 100. 0000 cancel. Multiply this. 400 rupees this. Okay. There are two question, mixed question. First, you have to find P सेम पी यू हेभ टु युज अदर साइड है। यता पी निकालेर त्यही पी हामीले के छ अर्को साइडमा युज गरेका छौँ। Look here, this one B also. The compound interest on certain sum for 2 years 8% per annum compounded annually rupees 312. Compound interest CI is given 312 rupees. 2 years T is equal to 2 years. 8% per annum. R is equal to 8% per annum. Yes. 8% per annum. Find the simple interest. Other side. Find the simple interest. SI is equal to what? Simple interest. For the same time. Time is same. 2 years. Same rate. R is equal to 8% on the same principal. Yes. Then P. First we have to find P there. Then you have to put the P here. Yes. Same way. ल यहाँबाट P निकालेर यहाँ P राख्नु पर्ने छ। सेम सम भनेको एउटै P हुनु पर्यो। ल यहाँ जे दिएछ त्यहीको फर्मुला CI छ भने CI, SI छ भने SI, CSI SI बाट पनि हुन सक्छ त्यस्तो क्वेशन है। अहिले SI को पनि गरौँ न। CI is equal to P whole bracket small bracket 1 plus R upon 100 to the power T minus 1. Okay, or CI means 312. Principal means P whole bracket small bracket 1 plus R means 8. 8 upon 100 to the power 2 then minus 1. 312 is equal to P whole bracket small bracket 1 plus 8 is divided by this 0.08 1 square then minus 1. 312 is equal to P this and this plus 1.08 1 square then minus 1. 312 is equal to P 1.08 square 1.08 square. Okay, 1.08 into 1.08 1.1664 1.1664 then minus 1. This and this minus. Or 312 is equal to P into 0.1664. Divide this, therefore P is equal to 312 is divided by 0.1664. P is equal to 312 divide 0.1664. 1875 rupees is P. Same sum भने छ यो P यहाँ राख्नु पर्यो 1875. Then what you have to find here? You have to find the simple interest. So SI is equal to P into T into R upon 100. What is P? 1875. Then T 2 R 8 upon 100. All multiply and divide by 100. Okay. 1875 into 2 into 8 30,000 divided by 100. 30,000 divided by 100. 0 cancel. 300. Okay, I have done this A and B both same question. सधैँ CI नै दिन्छ भन्ने कुरा हुँदैन, कहिलेकाहीँ देयर मे बी एसआई अल्सो है, कहीं एसआई बाट पनि हुन सक्छ। एसआई ओके, लुक एट सी नम्बर हेर, देयर इज जसरी सीआई बाट हामीले एसआई निकाल्यो भने कहिलेकाहीँ एसआई दिएर पनि सीआई सोध्न सक्छ। Look there, C. If the simple interest of the principal at the rate of 10% per annum in 2 years is 1510, simple interest means SI is equal to 1510 rupees. How many years? 2 years. 2 years. In 2 years, 10% per annum. R is equal to 10% per annum. (10% per annum). Find the compound interest. Compound interest you have to find. CI is equal to what? At the same sum. Sum means P. P I निकाल रखूँगा. Same sum. At the same interest rate, rate is same, is equal to 10%, same interest rate. At the same time, T is equal to 2 years. ल अघि नै हामीले CI बाट SI निकालेको थियौँ भने यहाँ ठ्याक्क अपोजिट SI बाट we have to find CI. ल जे त्यसरी फर्मुला गर्नु पर्यो, SI is equal to P into T into R upon 100. What is SI given? 1510. P is not given. P into T means 2 into R means 10 upon 100. Yes, 1510 is equal to 10 to the 20. 20 P upon 100. Cross multiply गरेको हुन्छ, divide गरेको हुन्छ. Yes. Then 1510 is equal to 20 is divided 100, 0.2 P. Therefore P is equal to 1510 is divided by 0.2. Okay, 1510 divided by 2. 1510 divided by 0.2. 7550. 7550 rupees. 7550 rupees. Yes. Then same principle you have to write there. 7550 rupees. Then what you have to get there? CI. CI. What is the formula of CI? CI is equal to P whole bracket small bracket 1 plus R upon 100 to the power T. Then minus 1. Yes, put the value. Say you have to get 7550, then whole bracket small bracket 1 plus R means 10. 10 upon 100 to the power T means 2, then minus 1. 7550 whole bracket 1 plus divide 10 is divided by 100, 0.1 square, then minus 1. Yes, 7550, then plus this 1.1 square, then minus 1. 7550, then 1.1 square. 1.1 square means 1.21. This one is square, then minus 1. This and this minus. 7550 into this minus 0.21. Then multiply 7570 into 0.21. Yes. 158.5. 185.5. 185.7. 1585, sorry. 1585. 85.5. Okay, model 3, model 6. Two questions are merged here. Simple interest to compound interest and compound interest to simple interest. Simple interest दिएर compound interest सोधेको पनि छ र compound interest दिएर simple interest सोधेको पनि छ. Okay. Then we are going to next model, model 7. Model 7 is also a combination of two questions. First, we are doing half question, then another half. Yes. Model 7, very easy model. Model 7. Okay, model 7.1a. What will be compound interest? What will be compound interest? Yes, compound interest means CI is equal to what? On rupees 5,000, P is equal to what? 5,000 rupees for 2 years. 2 years at the rate of 20%. R is equal to 20% compounded per annum. This is the half question. First we have to do this half question. What is CI on principal 5,000 for 2 years at the rate of 20%? है compound interest सोधेछ मैले आधा प्रश्न मात्रै पढेछु. ओके, compound interest सोधेछ. compound interest को फर्मुला गर्ने CI is equal to P whole bracket small bracket 1 plus R upon 100 to the power T then minus 1. Yes, CI we have to find. CI is equal to P. P means 5,000 whole bracket small bracket 1 plus R. R means 20 upon 100 to the power T. T means 2 then minus 1. Then 5,000 whole small bracket 1 plus this divide 0.2 0.21 square then minus 1. 5,000 this and this plus 1.2 square then minus 1. Then what? 5,000 1.1 square means 1.44. This whole square then minus 1. 1 and 1 cancel. 5,000 into 0.44. Multiply this 5,000 into 0.44. 2,200. 2,200 rupees. Okay, I have only done half question. Yes. What will be compound interest on the rupees 5,000 for 2 years at the rate of 20% per annum? I have given how much compound interest? 2,200. Then another question. At what time? What time? Another question. T is equal to what? What time it pays same interest on the same sum? Same rate of simple interest. Same interest. CI is given to 200. Then SI is also same. Same interest is written. How much CI? That is what? SI. जति CI छ त्यति नै SI भनेको छ है. Same sum. Sum is same also. Sum is same. Same sum. 5,000 rupees. Same sum. At the same rate. R is equal to 20%. Yes. Then we have to find what? T. The SI this is SI को formula. SI is equal to P into T into R upon 100. SI, how much SI? 2,200. P means 5,000 into T into R R means 20. 20 upon 100. 20 cancel. 20 to 100 is equal to this and this. 1000 T. Okay, upon this, therefore T is equal to 20 to 100 upon 1000. T is equal to 2.2 years. That answer. Okay, not difficult. Only two question merge here. दुईटा क्वेशनलाई यहाँ मर्ज गरेको छ भने पहिला हाफ क्वेशन गर्नु पर्यो, त्यसपछि एनदर हाफ. दुईटा क्वेशनलाई मर्ज गरेको मात्रै छ यसमा. पहिला हामीले आधा क्वेशनमा सीआई सोधेको छ. आफ्टर फाइन्डिङ सीआई हामीलाई टाइम सोधेको छ. सिम्पल इन्ट्रेस्ट जति सीआई छ त्यति नै के छ एसआई भनेको छ. सीआई 2200 आएकोले वी हैव पुट एसआई अल्सो 2200. Then go to B number also. Only two question there. B. What will be compound interest? Compound interest CI is equal to what? On rupees 2000, P is equal to 2000 rupees. 2000 at the rate of 10% per annum rate. R is equal to 10% per annum for 2 years. 2 is missing there. Yes, 2 years. Only years is written. You have to make correction this question. 2 years. For 2 years. Okay, CI is asked. T is 2000. R is 10% and T is equal to 2 years. You have to find CI. What is CI? CI is equal to P whole bracket small bracket 1 plus R upon 100 to the power T then minus 1. Yes. Then you have to got CI principal is 2000 whole bracket small bracket 1 plus R means 10 upon 100 to the power means 2 then minus 1. 2000 whole bracket 1 plus this divide 0.1 square then minus 1. This and this plus 1.1 square then minus 1. 1.1 square means what? 1.21 then minus 1. 2000 into this and this minus 0.21. Yes, this and this multiply 420 rupees. Okay, I have got half of this question. Is आधा क्वेशन मा हामीले how much CI भनेको छ. CI कति निकालेछौं? 420 rupees. Okay, CI half question is this. CI we have to get CI. Only we have used formula is all given there. Next, at the what rate of simple interest? Rate of simple interest R is equal to what? Simple interest will it face the same produce. Jati CI cha त्यति नै SI. SI is same 420 rupees. Same simple interest. Okay, same produce at the same interest rate at the same period. Okay, same principal. Principal is same 2000 rupees at the same period. Period means time. Same time. T is equal to how much? 2 years. ल अघि नै हामीलाई T निकाल्नु छ भने now R निकाल्नु छ. What is given? SI. SI को फर्मुला लगाउने SI is equal to P into T into R upon 100. How much SI? R 420. P means 2000 into T means 2 into R is not given. R upon 100. 20 cancel. 420 is equal to this and this multiply 20 into 2 40 R. Therefore R is equal to 420 is divided by 40. then what? R is equal to 10.5%. That's it. Okay, model 7 में मात्र दुईटा क्वेशन थियो. We have finished both. है दुवै हामीले सकेका छौं. Okay, we have done in this class model 6. There is combination of two question. Same as in model 7, combination of two question. First we have done first half, then remaining. Yes, यहाँ CI र SI सेम भनेको हुनाले जति CI छ हामीले त्यति नै के छ SI राखेका छौं र what I have already told, what you were given, we have to use that formula. Okay, thanks for this class.